are going crazy. I need to see that my dogs are like going near. This is so sad. This happened yesterday. And pretty much and there's pretty much a police car all over there that we called. I don't know if you guys can see because of the fog. It's that car over there. It's invisible kind of. So yeah, that's the whole point. We don't know what to do. That the house got robbed or something, and then the alarm just went on. My dogs are here with me. She's just cuddling, just scared. And the other one is all the way over there. But seriously, this is not okay. We called the police, and they just went to another house. So I don't know. You guys could hear it. You guys could hear it perfectly. But it's louder in real life. It started at 2 a.m. in the morning and up to now. And let's see what's gonna happen.